Here are some household life hacks that can make your life easier and more efficient. 1. Use a lint roller to clean pet hair from furniture and clothing. 2. Keep a basket near the door to store keys, sunglasses, and other items you need when leaving the house. 3. Use hooks to organize and store frequently used items like bags and coats. 4. Use shower caddies to organize and store cleaning supplies in the bathroom. 5. Use a dish rack to air dry dishes and save energy. 6. Use a magnetic knife holder to save space in kitchen drawers and keep knives easily accessible. 7. Use a tension rod to create extra storage space in closets or under the sink. 8. Use a power strip to save energy and keep multiple devices organized. 9. Use an over-the-door organizer to store cleaning supplies, bathroom essentials, and other items. 10. Use a vacuum with a crevice tool to clean tight spaces and hard-to-reach areas.